Yeah. Down on the big river, engines humming, barges loaded. Let's push it. Early morning diesel roar, captain calling from the wheelhouse door. Load 'em up tight, 15 wide, covered hoppers riding low in the tide. Muddy water churning, brown bow thruster spinning, turning us around, flanking the bend, feel the power, 1,000 horses pushing every hour. Crew on deck, lines in hand, working hard in this river land. Waves be crashing, current fight, but we're steady holding strong all night. From the locks to the open flow, hauling grain where the big winds blow. Ain't no stopping this river train, pushing forward through the pouring rain. Push that toe, push it down, push that toe, all the way down the line. Engines thunder, river wide, feel the pride on this endless ride. Push that toe, keep it rolling strong, push that toe, where the river belongs. Mighty current, heart of gold, hauling dreams on this watery road. Yeah, push that toe. Spotlight searching in the dark, fog rolling thick like a question mark, radio crackling.